Hi! In this video, I'm going to show you how to book a lesson on Myls. First, go to the top left corner and click Book Lesson. Then just follow the step-by-step instructions and select the options that apply to you. For this demo, I'll book a lesson for Grade 12 Ontario English to help improve my grades. Here, I will select Course Tutor because I need support with a specific course. If you need help with career planning or admissions, you can choose them instead. Now I'll choose the subject, in this case English, and the level is Grade 12. Now you'll see a list of course names based on your selection. I'll go with Ontario Grade 12 English. If your course isn't listed, select Customize Course and then click Continue. On this page, it will ask more details about your goals. I'll select Improve Grades as my main goal. In the text box, you can also describe what you need help with: chapters, concepts, or school handouts. Here, I'll just type, I want to improve my writing skills. And I'll upload a handout. Then click Create a Lesson Plan. The platform will now generate a customized lesson plan based on your input. You'll see a recommended number of sessions along with the detailed breakdown. If you want to adjust the number of sessions, click Change. I'll change this to 2, then Confirm. This plan will automatically reflect that. Once you're happy with the plan, click Continue. Now we'll set your tutor and time preferences. Under tutor preferences, you can specify preferred teaching languages, teaching style. If you work with someone before and want to book them again, you can also specify their names here. I'll just type native English speaker. For time preference, type your availability here, be as specific as possible. Then click Analyze Time Slots. Now you'll see 2 time slots generated based on your input. You can adjust them here by clicking the drop-down list. Then click Continue to move to the final step. This page is to review and confirm your request. Take a moment to double-check the summary. You can see the lesson plan here, and you'll see the credit details here. Check this box and click Submit. Congratulations, you've just submitted a lesson request all on your own. You'll receive a confirmation email and a text message once your booking is complete. To view or update your request, you can go back to Myls, under My Space, find your course name, and then click Lesson. Your request will appear here. You can update or cancel it here. And that's it. Don't forget to keep an eye on your email and messages for updates.